Hey guys, Jamie at the Submarine Channel. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a do-it-yourself carpet deodorizer. I did put the full recipe down in the description box below for you. I also put a link to my blog. So in my blog I go a little bit more in depth about all of the ingredients, why we use them, what this ingredient does, what that ingredient does, all of that jazz. So if you want to know a little bit more about why we're using baking soda or borax or the fragrance oil, feel free to hop over there. This is a super easy recipe to make, and it saves me all the time because I don't always think ahead and grab stuff when I'm getting ready to clean, so I don't always have it on hand. So I like to just whip up my own when I'm doing it. It only takes a minute to do, and then my carpets, I find for me, I like the smell better because I'm using all of the fragrance oils that I already have, so I can have the entire house smell like one fragrance, and I'm absolutely in love with that. The cool thing about this is it's something that is made with stuff that you already probably have on hand. So once you start making your own skincare and stuff like that, you're going to realize all of the things that you can actually make with these products that you already have. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh these out, but you really don't have to. So although the weight is different by volume, it's pretty much the same, and this isn't a recipe that has to be exact. So we're going to do 1 part of baking soda to 1 part of borax. What we're going to do is go ahead and grab a container to mix in. We're going to pop in our baking soda. Into the baking soda, what I like to do is just add my fragrance or essential oil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm just going to give everything a really good mix. I'm going to kind of chop while I'm mixing. I'm going to lift from the bottom just so then that way we get this fragrance all the way through our carpet deodorizer. Once I have that mixed all the way, what I'm going to do is go ahead and grab the borax, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to pour that into our container. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix it in there really good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take our carpet deodorizer and I'm going to put it into my storage container. And then we'll just go ahead and pop on the lid. And there is your carpet deodorizer. So I know you guys already know how to use a carpet deodorizer, but I kind of want to walk you through the process of how I do it, because I didn't know until like a year ago that this is how you're actually supposed to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and vacuum your carpet. The reason why we do this is we want to go ahead and get up all of the loose dirt and debris or anything like that that might be in your carpet already, right? Because that's going to hold smells. Once we have that done, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the carpet powder on there. So with this one, I kind of hit the bottom of it or give it a really good shake and it'll go on there. You can also take the lid off and just go ahead and pour it on there. Either is fine, whichever you prefer. The next step that I'm going to do, and this is kind of where it is a game changer, and this is where it really makes the carpet deodorizer work and it makes your house smell absolutely amazing. So what you're going to do is you are going to grab a broom. And you're going to get in and you're going to sweep that carpet deodorizer right into the fibers of the carpet. So you're going to give your carpet a good sweep. You're going to sweep it all around. You're going to get it to mix in there. Now you wait. So I like to wait at least 15 minutes, but typically I like to wait like an hour, hour and a half before I go ahead and vacuum this up. And then once you let it set for however long you're going to leave it there, whether it be 15 minutes or 2 hours or however amount of time you left it on there, go ahead and give your carpet another really good vacuum. This is the part I absolutely love, because even though we vacuumed it up, even though we pulled everything out, the fragrance oil just tends to really fill up your house, so you can just smell the cleanness that is in your house. Now, typically my vacuum, and I don't have the best vacuum, I just have a cheap one from Walmart, it'll take a few like vacuums to get all of the carpet stuff up, which is fine. It just makes my house smell that much better longer. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy making and using your own carpet deodorizer. Bye!